Good morning. It is August 18th and I'm at the beach. It's so cool. Last night we had like a thunderstorm, which was really awesome. Lightning and thunder and a lot of rain that came down. It was just so peaceful. And I was sitting by my window looking at it. I used to think that I just wanted to be in a warm climate only, but I don't know, in recent times I'm really appreciating the change of the weather. Just getting to see the earth kind of go through these changes, and it's like feelings and emotions in a way. And I feel like it just makes you feel so much more connected to the planet in a way. I came out this morning for a little walk to the beach because it's so foggy, and it feels a little bit dystopian. So many birds. I saw a sea otter climb into the water. The boat noises too kind of adds this eerie feel, which I guess would be perfect for like the fall and kind of spookiness that comes with October. But it is still summer, so this is a little bit crazy. I think it's just kind of finding the beauty in whatever you get dealt with, because it's really not up to us, and Mother Nature is gonna do what she wants to do. So it's really cool. I'm kind of into it. I really want to try and implement going on a morning walk as much as I can. Obviously it's kind of hard because the mornings are usually, you kind of have to get up and you're going somewhere. I think it's so beneficial, and it's a really nice way of kind of giving yourself that slow start that your body deserves to the day. Also a really nice time to, reflect on what's been going on, how you've been feeling, goals that you've been setting, like where are you in that, and just kind of giving yourself like a check in a way. I just really wanted to talk about how cool weather is and life, and